Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to restore sleep mode options and power menu in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you try to navigate here the start icon and when you proceed with your power menu, you won't be able to see the sleep mode options here aligning to the shutdown and restart options. Now, in order to restore the settings or options, we are going to perform or do a very simple and basic steps, okay? So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to proceed here at the bottom search bar and type for powercfg.cpl. Again, type for powercfg.cpl. The moment you have typed it, a control panel item which is powercfg.cpl would appear, where here you need to proceed on open, continue to it, and wait until a new window would appear. Okay, so you would be redirected to the power options window where here you need to proceed at the left side of that where you can see an option called choose what the power buttons do. Click on it and the moment you have the click on it, there you would be able to see shutdown settings, you can see there your sleep, the show and power menu. So I can see the hit here, it is being grayed out. Now in order to modify or change the settings, in order to turn on the sleep menu, you need to proceed on this, which is change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on it, and the moment you have to click on it, it will be available for you. Just have to turn on the sleep, the show, and power menu and go with save changes. Once you have saved it and once you have turned it on, close this window and check if your sleep mode is being restored in your power menu. So navigate here at the start icon, tap on it, go with your power menu, and there you have that. You can now stay your PC on but uses low power. App stays open. So when the PC wakes up, you're instantly back to where you left off. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.